Hello my friends and welcome to MotoAcademy.ca. I'm Polo, you're watching the Moto Breakdown. Today's Moto Breakdown episode is brought to you by nobody because I'm not sponsored. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Oxford OX705 handguards. Let's take a look. Here we go with another unboxing, again from GP Bikes. I know I live in BC and I keep ordering from GP Bikes, but it's tough to beat the prices when things go on sale. So this stuff here I bought with their no tax sale, and Ontario taxes more than BC. It makes perfect sense. Anyway, here we go. All right, we got the bill of lading, return slip, and more information on returning, so no problem. Okay, let's see what we got. Abundant packing paper, which is great. All right, so got myself a couple of things. Let me move this over. First of all, got myself a t-shirt. I like to have t-shirts branded of things I ride. So I currently ride a Husqvarna Vitpillen. That's a t-shirt, not bad. Material seems very, very quality. Let's see what we got here. Unfortunately, this was not on sale. I mean, it was part of their no tax sale, but it wasn't further on sale. No stickers though. Disappointed. Is there anything on the back? Nothing on the back, but yeah, I like to represent what I ride. But the real prize in here, got a fancy store bag, thanks. The real prize in here is this guy, the Oxford handguards. Now this here is really interesting because on my bike, so it is a 2019 Husqvarna Vitpillen, was generally looking for something to just keep the wind off my hands so I can ride it a little bit further into the fall, because other than that I can stay warm. I don't want to get heated grips because I know everyone watching this thought that first, because the grips on the Vitpillen are really nice, and I just don't want to exchange them for heated grips. But at the same time, I think the wind on the exterior of my hands is probably a bit more important to reduce than just warming up the inner part of my hands. So, features: protection from lever strikes, protection from windshield, lightweight CNC aluminum construction, contains left and right handguards. Nice. So these are going to remove the bar end weight from my handlebars, or clip-ons rather, which is fine by me because they do nothing to absorb any vibration. So I really don't care if they're there or not. Same features here. And over here are some pictures. So regarding these pictures here, it says here can be converted to a lever guard with optional purchase of OX701. Oh, I need to buy something else, eh? Oh, well, I guess maybe it'll convert into a lever guard eventually. We'll see. I wish I knew that. I would have bought it on the same sale. So this thing was on sale to begin with, and then the additional no tax on it. So obviously outright came to $107.99, which is the best possible price I could find for this particular thing. So let's open this guy up. Oh, I have been thwarted by some tape. Be right back. Okay, I have defeated the tape on the box. So packaging wise, pretty decent. Bubble wrap on the actual handguards. Looks pretty okay. Couple of Allen keys. All right, sweet. Let's put that back in there. And that's basically it. So, oh, I see. So it's got that one little, gotta buy that one extra attachment to turn this into the lever guard. Well, I wish I would have captured that to begin with. That would have been nice to know. So, yeah. It's got a standard expansion. I don't know what to call this. Pretty sure it's like an expansion style bar tensioner. I want to go with that. Can tell it's got a spacer here, so we'll see if that's applicable to my bars. Here, Allen keys, and that other small Allen key probably to tighten the actual handguard there. Oh, so I guess it is not ambidextrous, which makes sense. So let's crack one of these open. So construction wise, so I was a little reticent about these to begin with. Oh yeah, there's the hole there. Okay. And it was only because like they look kind of small, right? So this would be the, I guess the right one. Yep. So they look kind of small. I'm hoping that they're going to help well. The main thing about these and the reason why I chose them is one, actually two main reasons. One is that they attach through the bar end. So since I don't have handlebars, I can't have the full handlebar mount that would connect to the inside of a handlebar because I have clip-ons and just no space. And then the other reason is because these have this little cutout here, this little cutout right here, and I haven't tested it yet because I just opened this, but I am hoping that this will be a good spot for the turn signal because the clip-ons are very low, the turn signals are pretty much right here, and then the headlamp would be over here where my hand is. So I'm hoping this won't get in the way because based on other photos I've seen online of other handguards and with where the turn signals are, I think I hope these are going to be okay. So that's essentially it for this unboxing here. Actually, let's attach one. Alrighty then, so here it is with the handguard attached to the I guess lever bar end portion. So a couple things here. So first of all, number one, as you can tell, there are no instructions here. So I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but just something to keep in mind if you like instructions and literature. I kind of do. Because I like, for example, these little screws. I like to know like how much inch-pounds of torque to use and things like that. So that kind of stuff matters to me, but you know, to many, I'm sure it doesn't. So just a couple things here. So this little screw here is a short screw. So similar to, so these are the two screws that it comes with. So that is the one that connects to the inside of the guard, and this one here connects, or rather goes through the guard. So the observation is that one there is really easy to cross thread, so make sure you're putting it in there pretty carefully. It's very short. And this one here looks like the thread is actually on the lever itself. I'm just going to call this the lever for now, or the frame, whatever you want to call it. So the thread is actually in the lever itself. I thought initially that it would go through and connect on the other side, but it doesn't. So just keep that in mind. And I tightened these pretty tight, pretty much as tight as they would go without feeling an incredible amount of resistance. So yeah, there you have it. So that's kind of how it would be. Next video is going to be how they look on the bike. But as far as unboxing goes, how they look and how they function on the bike. But as far as unboxing, this is it. There's the geometry of it. So we'll see how it works and how it feels. And I don't know, maybe if I don't have to remove these in the summer, maybe I will get that bar lever protector. It seems pretty sturdy to me. So Oxford usually does pretty decent stuff. So there you have it. The Oxford OX705 handguard.